This case real estate property video is presented by Cheryl Busch. If you are looking for a lake house, this is it. 2-bed/2 bath with a den and lots of living area to entertain. Open floor plan will be perfect for entertaining too. 3 covered porches to enjoy the evenings. They all could be easily screened in to protect you from the bugs. The 2-car garage is perfect to store your toys when you are away. Also, perfect for living 365 days a year. Water better place to be than a couple miles from the Pomme de Terre Dam and Pomme de Terre Dam Campground. For more information, review the details below or contact Cheryl Busch at 417-859-3204.